Anche su diverse direzioni per vedere la differenza tra una e l'altra. Sì, bisogna che fai. Into the computer then, and there was in the external sound card there was a jack there where I could port the audio out from the Charlie Bravo into the external sound card, and it worked pretty okay. It worked. Do you know what I'm saying? We're cleaning up the AI DSP server was cleaning up the PB signal over.
Don't know who he's talking to. Anyhow, this is Tim's Mark 1, and this video is to show him that it is working and the whole lot. Not a mint radio by any stretch, not a dog either. The bezel is not too bad. There's a couple of bubbles on it. That's a brand new insert reproduction one, metal one. It's not a sticker. All rotary controls cleaned, all switches cleaned, LED fitted in the meter. Channel 9 is 10k jump, tone is tone, that is that, MB on AM, and your SRF, that's all stock. Now, let's see, I'll go to AM, I'll go to AM up here. 1 1 2 1 2 1 2 audio. 1 2 1 2. I just turn back the mic in a bit there. Get rid of that. Get rid of that squealing. And she talks up nice. And it's not producing a whole lot on the scope there now because I have the mic gain turned down. Let's turn it up a little bit more. I have an idea. Put it on the dummy load. 1 2 1 2. Give her a bit more. Audio. 1 2 3 4 5. Hello, radio. So that's AM. We go to FM. Squelch it. FM. 1 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. Hello. Now SSB. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Check 1 2 3 4 5. Hello, radio. 1 2 1 2 3 4. 1 2 1 2 3 4. Hello, radio. 1 2 3 4 5. Hello. I go to lower side. Let's get that up on frequency. This old thing, you have to kind of mess around with it. Nature of the beast. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4. Hello. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Hello, radio. Right. Play out that little more. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Hello, radio. 1 2 3 4 5. And of course has that very distinctive Mark 1 beep. And that kind of alters slightly then on the different sideband. That's the one we all know and love on upper sideband. Just adjusting that back. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Hello. So she's producing plenty of power. It's got new case screws. Secret sauce. It's a Mark 1, by the way. Don't know if I said that. It has a hole drilled in the back there. It was like that. it's not too bad inside. It's had a few little things done, but nothing major. Now, let's see. We'll go back to the aerial. What we'll do here now is we'll put it on the big aerial on the roof. Something not right there, no? It would help if I switched it to the bench, wouldn't it? But anyway. There we go. That's it. Set it on that now. Let's have a listen around, see what we can hear.
Di potenza che ti serve, capito?
Ecco qua, allora adesso io parlarne con qua Game Master a piena potenza, attenzione, non so, che ho notato la differenza adesso è sbasso, se questo mi dice è sbasso, tanto per rilancio.
Ciao Michelangelo, un forte abbraccio, un saluto, una stretta di antenna da Ancona, Madrid. Ciao ciao Michelangelo da Maglio 1 Mike Golf 001. Ciao ciao.
Sorry about that. To take a phone call.
747 Canada Station, return your call. I hope so. I think we got it.
Anyway, so that's pretty much it. Just get a microphone organised for him. A bracket, hopefully I have one. And a power cable. So that's it, Tim. Hope you enjoy the radio. And we'll get you again in the next one. Bye bye.